Yeah, getting ready to make our Dutch oven pizza. Gonna work on getting the crust rolled out here, and then I'm gonna go light the briquettes up. Gonna use 30 briquettes, 10 on the bottom, 20 on top. Cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. Six minutes to burn down yet. So we just got our pizza dough rolled out. We're gonna chop up the vegetables and we'll get to it. Okay, we got the pizza crust in the Dutch oven. Gonna add some sauce first. I might fast forward through this so it saves you guys some time, but you'll be able to see all the ingredients. We're gonna put in our peppers and onions for vegetables, and some pepperonis. What other
Canadian bacon.
Some Canadian bacon, cheese, and obviously it's pizza sauce. So probably fast forward now. Alright, so we have it all loaded up. 10 briquettes on the bottom, 20 on top, and we're gonna let it go for about 25 minutes and then I'll check it. Might have to go for another 10, we'll see. First time doing this recipe again, so cross your fingers, hope it turns out good. Alright, well I pre-checked this thing's done. About 25 minutes with 30 briquettes. If you can see that in the sun, but that thing is perfect. Golden brown cheese. So we'll take it off the briquettes and let it cool down a little bit and then cut it up and let you know our thoughts. Okay, a little presentation. We got our pizza again right there, and we're just having a Caesar salad on the side. Gonna dig into this thing here, but pretty excited for it.
I believe this pizza's a good thumbs up. I'm a pizza fan, so...
I'm not a huge pizza fan, but I don't mind this. It's pretty good.
It's a good homemade pizza.
So
I'll definitely be wanting to do this again.
really easy, no mess. So it'll be really easy cleanup. Nothing really. We just pulled that parchment paper out there and it's ready to cook with again already. So you continue eating and continue along with the great weekend here at Cross Ranch State Park. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.
Bye guys.